make your own cake. So next,
now I'm making my own cake. Oh, what's this?
so what you do? What cake is that?
Ube.
Purple yam.
Yeah, purple yam. That was what I was gonna say though. Tapos din na para kiss the plane.
Okay, so this, the ube halaya.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Oh wait, what's this? The same ube.
Yeah, same thing. Wait, I'll give you some small spatula. Where's the small spatula?
I don't know. It's called a spatula.
You know what? Just sorry. Get a spoon. So you scoop like this, oh. Put that there. And then you spread, okay? Oh, bit more. Hawakan mo kasi ito, baby. Ganun mo. Ganito mo muna. Wait, remove your hand. That, oh, or if you need more spoon, there's another spoon right there. The small one. Oh, ganyan. Oh, oh. Oh, then it goes to the, dali. You can always do this so it's easy for you. You didn't put more? You should put. You can use this like that. So look at mommy. While I'm spreading it, like this, oh. Like that. See? And like that. Go that way. Oh. Okay. Don't press it too much. You do the same thing. Put the white.
It looks like a sweet hamburger.
Yeah. Put a white frost. Hey, do this. Hey, wait. Hold on. Here's what you can do about it. Do this like this. See, look at my hand. You have to push all the frosting down to the bottom.
Okay.
Okay, and then do this. Okay. Smiley face din. Oh. Dito sa gilid, okay? Okay na yan.
Oh,
Dito, dagdagan mo dito.
that was worse.
Dagdagan mo pa dito. Put more. There. Okay, tama na. Stop. Okay.
I just need more whipping cream.
You have to manage that because that's the last whipping cream. No, on the sides naman.
It's on the side.
No, sides. Like
Oh.
there.
Oh. Now?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Kasi, focus. Huwag masyadong mabigat yung hands, ha? You need your hands to be light. Not too strong while you're whipping it. Kasi, baby, like this, oh, I'll teach you. Look at mommy. See? Not this side. Not this side. This side. Do it like this, like that. See? Like that.
Okay. Okay.
And then, ang kalat na ng ano ko, ng baking table natin. Ako. Ako.
Bakeries yun. Ang bilis
Pwede
oh.
na yan.
Galing ah. Huwag kayong mag-judge. First time niya, pero ang galing ah. Yan, step by step po. Anay cookeries. Ang anak bakeries. Oh. Si Khaled, ano siya po? Oh, galing oh. Perfect yun.
Pwede na ako mag-master chef.
Ang galing. Di ba may paikot-ikot pa kami? Oo, ang galing oh. Yan, no? Ang galing ng anak ko. Tinalo yung bakery dito sa tabi namin. Kinabok.
Oo.
May pa-purple pa. Favorite ko pa yung color. Pink.
Gold nga hinahanap ko. Wala kang mahanap na gold.
Pink. Gusto ko mga maganda nga pink.
Bigyan
Sige.
mo.
Yan, slice mo daw. Perfect nga eh, pink. Match na sa purple, ha?
Oo, sarap.
Okay. Ayan na, guys. Hinihiwa na po. Tingnan natin ang finished product sa loob. Kano kaya costing nito? What do you think, ha? Comment down below. Comment down below. Di ba kompleto sa gamit ang anak ko? Oh, may... Oh! May... Contis yan. Contis eh, no? Sunod, mango bravo na. Kakabugin ng anak ko lahat ng ano dito.
Ganda ba?
Sarap mo?
Ang ganda ba?
So perfect! Ganda po. Ganda. Eh po!
Awan.
Mas matitikman na natin ito.
Tingnan natin. Anong lasa? Kung may kulang pa.
Ayan na po. Ayan, galing. Sarap! Nagulo pa ng buko. Ang sarap-sarap nyo.
Nasa ube.
Fairness. Order na kayo!